In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. In your Facebook, go to your profile page. So just tap your profile on the upper right. Then tap your name. So in here, just tap your profile photo. And then select See Profile Picture. So if you want to keep this picture, just go ahead and save this photo. So just tap the three dots on the upper right. And then just tap Save to Phone. So once done, you can now delete photo. Just tap that one. So if you delete this photo, it will be also removed from your Instagram and onto your other stories. So that's it. Your profile is now deleted. I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.